In this video, I'm going to show you how to add comma separated numbers in Google Sheets. As you can see in the screen, here in this Google Sheets document, I have some products name and their quantity sold detail from Jan to June in comma separated format. Here you can see every single quantities are separated with comma. And here in the column C, I need to calculate the total of these numbers. In this case, you can use the combination of sum and split function. So here in this cell, let me press equal to, type the sum function open bracket, then combine split function open bracket. Here in the text parameter of the split function, click on this comma separated numbers, then put a comma. In the delimiter, put double quotation, comma, double quotation. If the number separator is something else, then you have to put that in the delimiter. Close bracket for split function, close bracket for sum function, then press enter. And here you can see this is the total of these numbers. You can now use the fill handle to drag the formula down. So this is how you can calculate the total of comma separated numbers in Google Sheets. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, you can visit my channel's video page. See you again in next tutorial.